So we're at the trade show, looking for some waterproofing related exhibitions to report on. We found the Dincel exhibit here. It's pretty cool how the whole display here is made out of the Dincel wall system. So let's see if they'll ever talk to us. Hey Burko, thanks for taking the time to talk to me. What made you want to get involved with the CBA?
So we were actually here last year as well. We're here to engage. We're here to talk about our product, the benefits, and how is it solving the needs of the construction industry.
Awesome. Actually, that's what I'm really interested to hear about is what is your newest innovation and what problems does it solve for the industry?
We have championed the use of self-compacting concrete because you're not reliant on the person holding the vibrator to either vibrate the concrete or vibrate the concrete adequately. This type of concrete just flows on its own. It goes in, fills up every little crevice. We've done a whole series of tests with our product. So as you can see, no voids.
Yeah. Problem, voids in concrete. I've seen many myself and the defects that come from it. Self-compacting concrete pretty much eliminates that. That's going to be a big boon to the industry.
If you have a concrete wall with voids in it, that concrete wall isn't going to apply from a structural, fire, or acoustic perspective. And we see that with self-compacting concrete, it's providing a greater level of quality assurance to achieve void-free concrete walls.
Talking on the topic of waterproofing, because I think voids also impact waterproofing. So that's 4 different things there. So how does your current offering contribute to waterproofing confidence?
What we call the waterproof system warranty. And the way this waterproof system warranty works is that the installers of our product need to have firstly been trained by us at our academy. And then Dincel supervisors will come out to site at key checkpoints and make sure the installation is getting carried out in accordance with our construction manual. The other thing that needs to be addressed is the cold joint that occurs between the wall and slab footing junction.
Yeah.
So as part of this waterproof system warranty, we can take full ownership for that cold joint as well.
That's a big step forward, in my opinion, just having looked at a lot of things in the past. I think one criticism that you might have had previously is that the Dincel wall panel in itself is a PVC waterproof product. But what about all the other things around it? What about the junctions? What about the installation method? What about this? From what I'm hearing, you sort of have identified that and moved to address all of them with technology and processes and that sort of thing. Is that correct?
That's correct. That's absolutely correct.
Yeah.
So this waterproof system warranty, it's for basement walls. It could be for a basement which is below the permanent water table level or above the permanent water table level. It could be for an area which is non-habitable. It could be for habitable spaces. And when you pump that resin at a certain pressure, that hose has slits in it. Those slits open up and allows the resin to escape. That resin is essentially acting as a sealant to seal the cold joint between the wall and the slab footing junction.
So it seems like a well-detailed system. I love the graphics, by the way. It very clearly shows how everything fits together. But how do you know it works? I'm guessing you did some sort of testing regime. What did that look like?
In one of the tests you're about to see on the screen here is where we built a water tank. We filled it up with 3 meters height of water. And even though that tank was built over 12 months ago, we still don't have any water leakage. That water is fully contained in the tank, which is demonstrating that no water is going through the Dincel walling system or the cold joint at the base of the wall there. An additional step that we carried out, we engaged ACOR consultants.
Yep.
And within ACOR consultants, there's a gentleman by the name of Sam Parker. He's very well known in the industry as a waterproofing expert. So he's actually reviewed our testing results. He's written an expert opinion report, and that report is publicly available. And we fulfill that does provide a lot of confidence to the industry as well.
I would tend to agree. First of all, Sam's a great guy. I trust what he says. But there aren't many suppliers that would self-undergo that level of third-party scrutiny just in order to provide confidence to everyone. So I've got to give you credit for undertaking that.
Yeah, it's been a fantastic day so far. Still day one, but it's been quite busy. It's very positive. I got a chance to listen to some of the speakers. Of course, you're going to be on the stage tomorrow. We're looking forward to that as well.
That's awesome. So I do have one of my case studies is about a basement design tomorrow. So I think you'll find that interesting. And thanks for taking the time.
For sure. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.